What is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms? A. Cell. B. Tissue. C. Organ. D. Organism. The correct answer is A. Cells are the basic unit of life, responsible for carrying out various functions within organisms. Which organelle generates energy as ATP in eukaryotic cells? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondrion. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell, producing ATP through cellular respiration. Which process involves the division of a cell into two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell? A. Meiosis. B. Mitosis. C. Binary fission. D. Budding. The correct answer is B. Mitosis is the process of cell division in which replicated chromosomes are evenly distributed between two daughter cells. Where can simple squamous epithelium be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Skin protection. B. Alveoli of lungs, gas exchange. C. Stomach lining, digestion. D. Bone tissue, support. A. Kidney tubules, filtration. The correct answer is B. Simple squamous epithelium is found in the alveoli of the lungs and facilitates efficient gas exchange due to its thin structure. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis in the cell? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Ribosome. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is C. Ribosomes are the cellular organelles where protein synthesis occurs, translating mRNA into protein sequences. In which phase of the cell cycle do cells prepare for division by replicating their DNA? A. Interphase. B. Prophase. C. Metaphase. D. Anaphase. The correct answer is A. During interphase, cells undergo DNA replication in preparation for cell division. Where is transitional epithelium found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Urinary bladder, allows stretching. B. Skin protection. C. Small intestine lining, absorption. D. Blood vessels, transport. The correct answer is A. Transitional epithelium is found in the urinary bladder and allows the bladder to stretch as it fills with urine. Which type of tissue serves as a protective barrier and is the most abundant tissue in the human body? A. Connective tissue. B. Muscle tissue. C. Nervous tissue. D. Epithelial tissue. The correct answer is D. Epithelial tissue functions as a protective barrier, covering surfaces and cavities throughout the body. What is the main function of the Golgi apparatus in a cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Energy production. C. Modification and packaging of proteins. D. Waste removal. The correct answer is C. The Golgi apparatus processes, modifies, and packages proteins and lipids for transport within or outside the cell. Where can pseudostratified columnar epithelium be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Trachea, secretion of mucus. B. Bone tissue, support. C. Liver, detoxification. D. Heart muscle, contraction. The correct answer is A. Brake. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium lines the trachea and secretes mucus to trap foreign particles and protect the respiratory system. What is the main function of lysosomes in a cell? A. Energy production. B. Waste removal. C. Cell division. D. Protein synthesis. The correct answer is B. Lysosomes are organelles responsible for breaking down waste materials within the cell, hence they are involved in waste removal. Where are goblet cells found in the human body, and what is their primary function? A. In the small intestine for digestion. B. In the respiratory tract for mucus production. C. In the skin for pigmentation. D. In the liver for detoxification. The correct answer is B. Goblet cells are found in the respiratory tract and produce mucus to protect and lubricate the airways. Where can dense irregular connective tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. In tendons for connecting muscle to bone. B. In the dermis of the skin for strength. C. In the lungs for gas exchange. D. In the brain for protection. The correct answer is B. Dense irregular connective tissue is found in the dermis of the skin and provides strength and support. Where can smooth muscle tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. In the heart for pumping blood. B. In the digestive tract for peristalsis. C. In the brain for neuron communication. D. In the lungs for gas exchange. The correct answer is B. Smooth muscle tissue is found in the digestive tract and is responsible for peristalsis, which moves food through the digestive system. What is the function of the nucleolus in a cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Energy production. C. DNA replication. D. Ribosome assembly. The correct answer is D. The nucleolus assembles ribosomes, which are essential for protein synthesis in the cell. Where can stratified squamous epithelium be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. In the blood vessels for gas exchange. B. In the skin for protection. C. In the bones for support. D. In the brain for neuron communication. The correct answer is B. Stratified squamous epithelium is found in the skin and provides protection against mechanical stress and pathogens. What is the primary function of cilia in a cell? A. Cell division. B. Cell communication. C. Movement of substances along the cell surface. D. Energy production. The correct answer is C. Cilia are hair-like structures on the cell surface. They help move substances along the cell surface. This contributes to processes like mucus clearance in the respiratory tract. Where can adipose tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. In the bones for support. B. Around organs for protection. C. In the brain for neuron communication. D. In the lungs for gas exchange. The correct answer is B. Adipose tissue is found around organs and provides cushioning, insulation, and energy storage in the body. What structure within a eukaryotic cell is responsible for maintaining cell shape, providing mechanical support, and aiding in cell movement? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Cytoskeleton. D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is C. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that helps maintain cell shape, provides support, and facilitates cell movement. Which process moves materials into a cell by engulfing particles in a vesicle from the cell membrane? A. Facilitated diffusion. B. Endocytosis. C. Active transport. D. Exocytosis. The correct answer is B. Endocytosis is the process by which cells take in materials by engulfing them in vesicles formed from the cell membrane. Where can simple cuboidal epithelium be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Lining of respiratory airways, secretion of mucus. B. Lining of the gastrointestinal tract, absorption and secretion. C. Kidney tubules, absorption and secretion. D. Skin epidermis, protection against overraise. The correct answer is C. Simple cuboidal epithelium is found in kidney tubules and functions in absorption and secretion. Which cell organelle detoxifies harmful substances like drugs and alcohol? A. Lysosome. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is B. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in detoxification and metabolism of drugs and alcohol. In which phase of mitosis do the chromosomes line up along the cell's equator? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The correct answer is B. Metaphase is the phase of mitosis where chromosomes line up along the equatorial plane of the cell. Which type of tissue provides insulation, energy storage, and cushioning for organs in the human body? A. Adipose tissue. B. Dense regular connective tissue. C. Skeletal muscle tissue. D. Cardiac muscle tissue. The correct answer is A. Adipose tissue serves as insulation, energy storage, and cushioning for organs in the human body. Where can we find pseudostratified columnar epithelium with cilia in the human body, and what's its main job? A. Lining of the trachea, mucociliary clearance. B. Skin epidermis, protection. C. Fibrous joints, shock absorption. D. Kidney tubules, absorption of nutrients. The correct answer is A. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium with cilia is found lining the trachea and functions in mucociliary clearance. Which organelle is responsible for the breakdown and recycling of cellular waste and debris? A. Lysosome. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Ribosome. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is A. Lysosomes are responsible for the breakdown and recycling of cellular waste and debris. Where can loose areolar connective tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Bone matrix, structural support. B. Tendons and ligaments, movement and stability. C. Underneath skin, cushioning and support. D. Brain tissue, neurotransmission. The correct answer is C. Loose areolar connective tissue is found underneath the skin and functions in cushioning and support. What is the primary function of microvilli on the surface of certain epithelial cells in the human body? A. Absorption of nutrients. B. Production of mucus. C. Support and protection. D. Cell movement. The correct answer is A. Microvilli increase the surface area of the cell membrane for nutrient absorption. What's the term for a cell taking in large particles, or even whole cells, by forming vesicles from its membrane? A. Pinocytosis. B. Exocytosis. C. Phagocytosis. D. Osmosis. The correct answer is C. Phagocytosis is the process by which a cell engulfs large particles or even whole cells by forming vesicles from the cell membrane. Which cell organelle maintains cell shape, provides mechanical support, and helps with cell movement using structures like cilia and flagella? A. Cytoskeleton. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is A. The cytoskeleton maintains cell shape, provides mechanical support, and helps cells move using structures like cilia and flagella. What is the main function of the ribosomes in a cell? A. Energy production. B. Protein synthesis. C. Cell division. D. Cell movement. The correct answer is B. Ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Where can reticular connective tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Bone surfaces, structural support. B. Blood vessels, elasticity. C. Spleen and lymph nodes, framework. D. Tendons and ligaments, flexibility. The correct answer is C. Reticular connective tissue is found in the spleen and lymph nodes. Its main job is to provide a structural framework. What is the function of the nucleoplasm within the cell nucleus? A. Protein synthesis. B. Storage of genetic information. C. Breakdown of cellular waste. D. Energy production. The correct answer is B. The nucleoplasm's main function is storing genetic information inside the cell nucleus. Where can transitional epithelium be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Ureter lining, stretching. B. Skin surface, protection. C. Respiratory tract lining, mucus secretion. D. Intestine lining, absorption. The correct answer is A. Transitional epithelium is found lining the ureter. Its main job is stretching and recoiling. Where can dense regular connective tissue be found in the human body, and what is its primary function? A. Bone surfaces, structural support. B. Tendons and ligaments, strength in one direction. C. Spleen and lymph nodes, framework. D. Blood vessels, elasticity. The correct answer is B. Dense regular connective tissue is found in tendons and ligaments. Its main job is providing strength in one direction. What is the main function of the peroxisomes in a cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Energy production. C. Detoxification. D. Digestion of cellular waste. The correct answer is C. Peroxisomes are responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the cell, such as drugs and alcohol. What is the term for the process by which a cell expels materials from the cell in vesicles that fuse with the cell membrane? A. Endocytosis. B. Exocytosis. C. Pinocytosis. D. Phagocytosis. The correct answer is B. Exocytosis is the process of expelling materials from the cell. Which type of tissue is specialized for contraction and can be voluntarily controlled in the body? A. Skeletal muscle tissue. B. Cardiac muscle tissue. C. Smooth muscle tissue. D. Adipose tissue. The correct answer is A. Skeletal muscle tissue is under voluntary control and allows movement of the body. What is the term for the process of programmed cell death that helps maintain tissue homeostasis and eliminate damaged cells in the body? A. Apoptosis. B. Necrosis. C. Mitosis. D. Meiosis. The correct answer is A. Apoptosis is the process of programmed cell death. Which type of tissue is found in the stroma of the spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow, providing structural support for organs and blood cells? A. Dense irregular connective tissue. B. Reticular connective tissue. C. Areolar connective tissue. D. Elastic cartilage. The correct answer is B. Reticular connective tissue provides structural support in organs like the spleen and lymph nodes. What is the term for the process of a cell engulfing solid particles into vesicles within the cell? A. Pinocytosis. B. Phagocytosis. C. Exocytosis. D. Endocytosis. The correct answer is B. Phagocytosis is the process of a cell engulfing solid particles for digestion. Which type of tissue is specialized for rapid communication through electrical signals and is found in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves? A. Nervous tissue. B. Muscle tissue. C. Epithelial tissue. D. Connective tissue. The correct answer is A. Nervous tissue transmits electrical signals in the nervous system.